Alright, good morning. Today we are going to be making some of Mary's favorite. It's Basil Lemonade. I'm actually doing today a Basil Lemon Limeade. I'm doing a little bit of both. So what I have here is I have 12 cups of water that I'm heating up on the stove. I have 3 cups of sugar. Sounds like a lot. This is just a base simple syrup. Your ratio, I'm doing 1 cup water to 1/4 cup sugar. You can increase or decrease it as your taste like, but I'm going a little bit lighter today. And I have my lemon and lime cut up and set to go. I went out to the garden this morning and got some regular basil. This is regular basil, and then this over here is a lemon basil. You can use either one. Best time for cutting your basil is early in the morning, before the sun gets too high. It has the most flavor concentrated in the leaves, so that way you can use that flavor here. So I've got this heating up. I'm gonna kind of set this up here. I've got this heating up here, and I'm going to go ahead and add my sugar to it. And there we go. And I'm just going to stir this, and I don't want to heat this up to boiling. That will cook your basil leaves, and you don't want them cooked. It's almost like you're making a tea with them. So I'm just stirring it here to dissolve the sugar so it doesn't burn on the bottom of the pan. And once I get this all dissolved and up to temperature, we'll add our basil and our lime and lemon. Alright, so I can tell this is getting close to temperature. The actual liquid is getting more clear. You can't actually see the sugar in it, which means it's dissolved. It's warming up. I guess I should probably use a thermometer so I could tell you what the temperature is. But I can tell it's just starting to bubble a little bit. I can see a little bit of movement on the bottom, but I don't want it boiling. That's the wrong idea. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off and bring it over here. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in all my ingredients. So I'll add in my lemon basil first. And I usually just keep it on the stem. I washed it well, but I'm just going to keep it on the stem. It just saves me time. I used to pick it all off the stem, and it was kind of a pain. So I don't anymore. I just throw it all in here. I'm going to go ahead and add the regular basil. I have a few flowers on there. That's fine too. Here's a couple more sets. There they are. And I'm just kind of pressing them down in the water and leaving them for a while, actually. I did save out a few of the little tiny leaves, like these ones here, just for the garnish when I go ahead and make my drink a little later this afternoon. I'm going to go ahead and throw in my limes and my lemon chunks. I just sliced them pretty regularly, and just again pushing it in here. These are just gonna sit in here. I'm cooling this water to room temperature. Basically, the longer you cool it, the longer you let those leaves sit in the warm water, the more strong flavor you're gonna get. So we'll just leave this now until it's room temperature, and then I'll show you the next step. Well, we let this sit for a little while, a little longer than I normally would have. We just got busy doing other things, but I took out all the extra leaves, the lemons, and the lime. If you look, you probably see it a little bit in the video, but there's some sediment and some little bits and stuff. It doesn't look really nice when you go to put it into your drink. So we are going to strain out that extra just sediment stuff. I have here a funnel, just regular funnel, and I used a rubber band to help hold on some cheesecloth. So I'm just going to strain it through this into a gallon jug that I have. Mary's going to help. Oh, it spilled out. That's okay. Alright, and there we go. Alright, well, I've got my jug of basically it's a tea. I do tend to add a little extra lemon and lime to mine, it's just lemon juice. Just because I like the sour flavor, makes it more lemonade-y. And I add a little lime to it too, just, again, I kind of like that. It's just your preference, whatever you want to do. Shake it up a little bit. There we go. Alright, and then it's time to drink it. I mean, you can do what you want, but basically I do like a half and half mixture. So I got some ice here. I'm going to put about half of our lemonade. And then I add some Sprite to it. You can do whatever, if you want to do 0 sugar or 7-Up or whatever, it's fine. Just, and then there it is. And give it a quick stir. Now, of course, if you want, you can add a shot or so of your favorite adult beverage. We'll just put it that way. See what you want. Okay. So, and just to make it look pretty, I'm gonna go ahead and add a lime to it. And then these are the little basil leaves that we saved from earlier. Just makes it look pretty. And there's another one. Oh, that one's, we'll use the big one. There we go. And there it is. Alright, so Mary's gonna take the lemon one. Take the lime one. We'll do a quick. Ready? Refreshing? Mm-hmm. Nice, good. Alright, hope you enjoy.